Hey everybody, what's up? It's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, and we are back here in Cheyenne, Wyoming at the Cheyenne Regional Airport. This is actually the vacant airport that was here before, and it's located on the opposite side now of the airfield, so this one is vacant. So yeah, I haven't been here in a couple months to do any whooping. I've been traveling a lot this summer, so haven't had a chance to get up here, but I'll kind of show you guys around a little bit more.